On August 29, 2024, the European Medicines Agency, EMA, released the guiding principles on the use of large language models in regulatory science and the medicine's regulatory activities. It's a mouthful, but it does represent a significant milestone. It's the first real position paper from a regulatory agency focused on the specific challenges and opportunities of large language models. The FDA has previously addressed artificial intelligence broadly and has even approved over 950 AI ML enabled medical devices. But the EMA is making a clear distinction by concentrating on the regulatory implications of LLMs. This paper offers recommendations for safe, effective, and ethical uses, which will likely serve as a framework for global regulatory policies. Now, if you're not already subscribed to the podcast, you really need to hit that button right now. This is where we dive deep into the intersection of law, technology, and pharmaceutical regulation, topics that can reshape the entire industry. One of the EMA's key concerns is the risk of hallucinations from LLMs, false or misleading information that could impact decisions in regulatory sciences. In the US, it makes it particularly risky in the context of promotional and non-promotional content. While LLMs can process and generate vast amounts of data efficiently, the potential for misinformation remains. In the regulatory environment, these errors can lead to disastrous consequences, especially when dealing with sensitive medical information. Do you think pharma companies are ready to handle the ethical implications of AI, especially when it comes to patient safety? I'd love to hear your thoughts. So in terms of recommendations, the EMA emphasizes the importance of prompt engineering and user training, crucial steps for reducing bias and safeguarding sensitive data. But the paper leaves several questions unanswered. Example, how do companies navigate the potential copyright violations tied to AI outputs? And with LLMs continuously evolving, is there a risk of organizations lagging behind in the safe use of these technologies? The implications extend far beyond just data processing. They touch on legal, ethical, and operational challenges that companies must address head on. As LLMs become increasingly integrated into pharmaceutical operations, the stakes are higher than ever. It's not enough to simply adopt AI technology. You need a comprehensive legal strategy to ensure compliance with these emerging guidelines. The risks are multifaceted, from privacy violations to outright misuse of data. And that's where the Kulkarni law firm comes in. We guide pharmaceutical and medical device companies through these complex regulatory AI related landscapes and help the agency see your company the way you do.